The best hoverboards for kids to ride. Gift the best hoverboards for kids to your children to make them experience the joy of the outdoors. Hoverboarding is a great way to keep them away from gadgets and screens and engage them in physical activities. Children love hoverboards, and these come in different trendy designs and sizes. Choosing one from the many options available online can be challenging. So to help you choose one, we have compiled a list of the best ones. Keep watching and pick one. Number 1. Best for all-terrains. Gotrax Nova Pro Hoverboard. The Gotrax Hoverboard is a delightful combination of innovation and functionality. It features dual 200-watt motors, a superior quality music speaker, and a 36V 2.6Ah battery that can go up to 5 miles on a single charge. In addition, the motorized hoverboard has 6.5-inch LED wheels that offer you a smoother ride on all terrains. By allowing you to control the board, it also features a self-balancing control system that offers you more control over the movement and ensures safety. What we like. All certified. Can hold up to 176 pounds. Sturdy structure. Has a maximum speed of 6.25 miles per hour. Has a Bluetooth-enabled music speaker. What we don't like. May not be available in many colors. Number 2. Best durable. Segway miniPRO. The body frame is made of aircraft-grade magnesium alloy, which increases its durability. It comes with an 800-watt dual motor and has a distance range of 12.5 miles, with a maximum speed of 4.3 miles per hour, with a charge time of 4 hours. The footpad analyzes the body movements and maintains the body balance. Check out this product review video to learn more. Material: metal, plastic, and rubber color. Black. Item weight: 12.8 kilograms. Item dimensions: L into W into H, 10.2 into 21.6 into 23.4 inches. What we like. It has height adjustable knee pads, suitable for riding on multiple terrains. It has shock absorbers to minimize the impact of riding on rough terrains. It has a Bluetooth app and LED lighting. Comes with an anti-theft alarm. What we don't like. No adjustable LED light color options. A bit expensive. Number 3. Best stylish. Hover One Ultra Electric Hoverboard. The Hover One Hoverboard is a self-balancing electric device that can be operated by anyone without much effort. It features a 400W brushless motor and a 6.5-inch wheel that can easily climb up to a 17-degree incline. Additionally, it features a stylish design with blue front sensor LED lights that offer safety and improve the riding experience in darker spaces. Moreover, the hoverboard gives a range of up to 12 miles at a speed of 7 miles per hour that can last up to 4 hours on a single charge. What we like. Can endure up to 220 pounds. Has a fire-resistant battery shield. Noiseless wheels. Available in 3 color variants. What we don't like. Lower temperatures may affect battery life. May not be suitable for uneven surfaces. Number 4. Best all-terrain. Gyroor Warrior Off-Road Hoverboard. The Gyroor Warrior Hoverboard is designed to provide the best off-road riding experience and is equipped with 8.5-inch sturdy wheels and a 700-watt motor. It also has a superior quality built-in music speaker that you can activate to enjoy your favorite tunes on the go. Additionally, it is all certified, can climb slopes up to 30 degrees, and has self-balancing features to ensure safety and convenience. Material: aluminum color. 1 black. Item weight: 32 pounds. Item dimensions: L into W into H, and 28 into 11 into 10 inches. What we like. Easy to use for beginners. Has a maximum speed of 9.95 miles per hour. Attractive LED lights. Made from high-grade aluminum and ABS material. Quick charging in around 2 hours. What we don't like. Might make some noise when riding over bumps. Battery life might fade over time. Number 5. Best with battery indicator. Razer Hovertrax Prizma Hoverboard. With its attractive LED lights and self-balancing feature, the Razer Hoverboard for kids can be a suitable gift option for children aged 8 and above. It is a UL 2272 certified hoverboard and features EverBalance technology, ensuring your child's safety and preventing tipping during the learning stage. Additionally, it features normal and training modes that allow you to have better control while riding. Material: Aluminum color. Blue. Item weight 13.29 pounds. Item dimensions L into W into H and 25 into 9.5 into 9 inches. What we like. Slip resistant wheels. Textured, non-slip rubber foot pads. Available in 3 color options. Battery indicator light. What we don't like. A battery may drain quicker than expected. Might shut off at times. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.